Today I'd like to talk about the law of cause and effect and how it really impacts your life. Now, many self-help gurus believe your thoughts alone are sufficient to bring about meaningful change in your life. Some even believe the universe can deliver your wishes to your front door if you merely ask in the proper manner. Maybe this is true, maybe it's not. But there is one law in the universe that works reliably every time. The law of cause and effect. And this idea is easy to prove. If you drop something heavy over your foot, it will definitely fall and hurt you. If you follow the directions accurately to make a cake, you're guaranteed to receive a cake at the end. Even Buddhism covers the topic of cause and effect very thoroughly. The law of cause and effect may be the most universal law of all. Let's take a look at how the law of cause and effect can help you. Number 1. Your actions are ultimately the controlling factors here. And this is great news. All you have to do is take the appropriate actions and you'll get the results that you desire. Thoughts can and will dictate your actions. But the power of your thoughts is only seen when you take action. Number 2. Success and failure aren't personal. If you bake a cake, the cake turns out the same, regardless of your education, skin color, religion, or favorite sports team. Mixing the proper ingredients in the proper amounts and baking for the proper duration, of course at the proper temperature, are the only factors that really matter. You aren't doomed to be a failure at anything. If you follow the success recipe for any endeavor in life, you will be successful. Number 3. Outcomes are quite logical. Over time, you reap what you sow. If you're kind to people, you can expect that most people will be kind to you. Mistreating people on a regular basis yields different results. Eating too many cakes brings obvious results too. Preparing and studying for exams brings good results. But the failure to study and prepare for exams will bring the opposite results. You see, it doesn't matter if you believe the universe is out to punish you. The outcome from your actions will still be the same. All of this suggests that thoughts aren't relevant. However, that's not exactly true. While you can successfully bake a cake while holding thoughts that your cake will never bake properly, you won't try if your thoughts are too negative. So having the appropriate thoughts makes the appropriate actions possible. Negative thoughts can be a blocker to taking advantage of the law of cause and effect. So be very careful with what's going on in your mind. Making the law of cause and effect work for you. Number 1. Understand the cause and effect relationships in your area of interest. What actions are most likely to lead to the results that you desire? Do some research and be certain. Find those who are knowledgeable in your area and ask questions. Number 2. Take the appropriate actions. Remind yourself that if you take the proper actions, your results are basically guaranteed. Monitor your thoughts and ensure that they are not holding you back. Number 3. Keep going. Consistently taking the actions that have led others to success will carry you to the same destination. Expect that success will take time. Trust that your actions will be enough. Perseverance is very powerful and will eventually yield the results that you're looking for. Even if success has eluded you in the past, you can rely on the law of cause and effect to hold true. Focus on taking the actions that lead you to your desired outcome. And remember, no one has ever followed a cake recipe and received an apple pie from their efforts. You get the results that you deserve. Avoid letting someone fool you into believing that wishful thinking will hand you a cake. Thank you for listening. This is Mark from Your Coach Mark.